So we are gonna install this chandelier, but we don't want to open this up and connect all the electricity, so we're going to connect it a different way.
Yeah, we bought this up from IKEA, but this already comes with the setup for our hardwire. So I just made a new hole in the base so I can run this wire here. And I'm going to connect the wires inside of the hub, attach this bracket onto the ceiling when we center it, and then run the cord over to the outlet. It's an old house, so they have like the outlet attached to the light switch because they used to just have lamps. And then we're worried because our ceiling actually is where the heat comes from.
Yeah, it has the heat.
We're in the country, and this is how I guess they decided to do the heat, which we're gonna change anyway in the future. So
this is a cheap and quick little fix for that problem, and we're gonna put this up, and we'll show you how he does this.
The gauge, which I think this one's 14. Put it right there. There we go.
So you're exposing the wire.
Yep. And then we just connect them to the same color. I like to turn it this way, the way that it's going to be turned when we do the cap on it.
So you're connecting the white with the white and the black with the black.
Yep. Parts here.
So we measured how far we wanted it to hang from here, and he just put a tape there to kind of keep his place, and that's where he's gonna pull that wire into this little white thingamajig.
Fixture hub.
What is it called?
I think it's like the fixture hub. Just tightening this, I think this is the cord.
You tightening this cord?
Yeah, so it doesn't go down further. I'm gonna cut this off. It's extra wire and I don't want to bunch it.
Yeah, that's perfect. We installed this here. It's attached there, screwed in, but it's actually connected to this outlet over here, which is set up here. As you can see, it is working now. Quick, easy little hack.